Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you a way of storing all those extra eggs. If you're like me, I have chickens and sometimes, as you know, we get a glut of eggs. So what are you supposed to do with them? Well, in this video I'm going to show you one way of getting some extra storage for those eggs, and they will keep fresh until the day you want to use them. So the first thing we need to do is to take our egg and put it in water and see if it sinks or floats. So just like this. Okay, you can see there, that egg is good. It has sunk to the bottom, so that is a fresh egg. Just pull it out and carry on with the next one. Just drop it in. Wow, look at that. That one is no good. You would not want to bake with that egg. It is a floater and it certainly wouldn't taste nice and it probably won't smell nice. So we'll dispose of that one. Now this is the importance of testing your eggs. That one there is good. You see, I've got chickens and they've been laying all over the place, and I have to test them for this very reason, because I don't know how old they are. Okay, so this is my muffin pan that I'm using, this blue silicone one, and I am supporting that in a shallow baking dish that I know will fit into my freezer. So all we're going to do is fill up, put all the eggs, break the eggs into the patty tins, and then we'll pop them in the freezer. So I'll just put them all in. Okay, so there we are. All the eggs into the pan, ready for the freezer. So this is the reason why you need to have something underneath it to support it, because you'd never be able to pick that up without spilling all your eggs out. Okay, and so that's my eggs in the freezer. Now all I do is just shut them away. Okay, here's the eggs in frozen form. Remove the eggs from the trays and put them into dated and named bags. Now store them in the freezer for future use. To use, remove eggs from the freezer, thaw and use.